Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. So today topic is partner determination procedure. Okay, so we'll see today partner determination procedure. Okay, so just go in SAP. Now the say path is you can go with SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay, now we have to go with sales and distribution, basic function. Okay, now you can see here partner determination. Okay, now click on setup partner determination. Okay, now we want to set up partner determination for the customer master. Okay, just double tap over here we go. Okay, so what are the steps which we need to consider while creating the partner determination procedure? Okay, before uh, before we move ahead, so let's have a look over there. So these are the partner function which will be coming in our customer master. Okay, which we have seen in the last class. Okay, so we'll take all four partner function, which is sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. Okay, okay, so first step is partner function. We have to come here, click on position, and check what are the partner function what we required. It should be present over here. Let's say first partner function is sold to party, which is SP. Okay, it's there. Okay, fine. Now, so right now we are taking all only standard, so all the standard will be there. So SAP is providing all the necessary standards partner function. We don't have really we will be creating new partner function. Okay, so all the standard partner functions will be there already. Okay, just have a look. So we have checked sold to party, we have checked ship to party is there. Now bill to party we can check. Okay, bill to party is also there. Now we can check pair. Okay, pair is also there. The first step is clear. As per this document, we have to check required partner function. Okay, now we'll move ahead with the next part, and this is the most important part. Okay, click on the partner determination procedure. To for this process we need to create our own procedure also for this partner determination. Okay, so what I will do, I will go with the new partner function. Let me just enlarge this screen. Okay, so this is the screen where we have to define the partner determination procedure. Okay, so I'm going with ZP01. Okay, so I will just name it partner no sold to party partner determination PROC procedure. Okay, here we go. Now once it is done, select the line item and click on the partner function in the procedure. Okay, now here whatever the function which we required, so we have to take all those partner functions. Okay, so for sold to party, firstly sold to party will be required, then ship to party, then bill to party, then pair. Okay, now there is, so we have taken all these four partner functions which we required as of now. Now what is this? Not modifiable and mandatory partner function. Let me just see how much we can enlarge it. We'll take it left side. Okay, yes, now you can see. Okay, so not modifiable and mandatory partner mandatory functions. Okay, so what is the use of this thing? So we are defining this procedure for the sold to party partner function. Okay, so let's say when you get the order from a particular customer, so that customer should not be changed in the any of the order. Okay, or in the customer master, what we maintain here, it should be not modifiable and mandatory. It should be there, because without sold to party we can't place the order. Okay, we need someone for reference. Okay, so not modifier will be there and mandatory partner function. Okay, now ship to party, let's say from one person we are getting the order, so we can ship to multiple location. So and even the, let's say the customer wants that product to be shipped to different customers, so we will be using this function. Same way with bill to party and pair. So we will not change this thing, we will not tick here for not modifiable. Okay, instead we'll tick here because we need this thing. Ship to party, it will be mandatory function, bill to party will be mandatory function, and pair will be mandatory function. So whenever we are creating customer for the account group sold to party, so all these partner functions should be mandatory. Okay, now save it. Okay, so sometime what happen, after saving this, now you have to go out of the screen, or when you go here next step will be like partner determination process segment. Okay, so when you go here, that screen won't be getting updated, so just save it and go back once. Okay, now come again. Okay, so till now we have done this much. Okay, we have defined the partner determination procedure. Okay, then we have assigned the partner function in that procedure. Okay, now the next step is the most important step. Okay, as you remember, in the last class we have created the customer account group. Okay, which was ZB01. Okay, now right now we have created the new partner function which is ZB01, same thing. So what happening over here? So in this screen we are assigning the partner determination procedure to account group. Okay, so just provide it and enter. Here we go, save it. Okay, now this much is done. So right now I have created for sold to party. So same way you can go partner determination procedure, and you can, let's say, ZB01 or ZB02 for ship to party, and inside the ship to party, let's say, I'm just showing you over here, we have 4 partner function, but for ship to party you will need only one. Same way for bill to party and pair, so we can create, but I'm going with the standard scenario right now. Okay, now as per this document, so till now we have defined the we have assigned the partner determination procedure to customer account group. Okay, now this step 5. Okay, in step 5 we are going to assign partner function along with account group. Okay, so come here, click on position, select the partner function which is sold to party. Okay, and the account group over is ZB01. Check it is there or not. Okay, so I think it's not coming, ZB01 or ZA01, I think, while copying. Okay, here you go, ZB0. Okay, you can change anyone, or we can click on entry, sold to party, ZB01, hit enter. Okay, done. Now ship to party, ZB01 will wait, ship to party, done. Now bill to party, pair, everywhere we have to take ZB01, hit enter. Okay, so till now our partner determinant procedure is done. So what are the steps we have taken? Initially we have checked, let's say we need 4 partner functions, which is sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and pair. We have to check step 1, each and every partner function should be present over here. Okay, now next, and one more thing I want to show you, sold to party. Okay, see, you can see sold to party is unique, so in the order it's not changeable. So in our order you will find only one sold to party, whereas you can file multiple ship to party kind of thing. Let's see ship to party. See, you can see here it's not unique. So from here you can say the logic is there. Okay, so coming back to summary part, so what we have done, we have checked partner functions. After that we need to define the partner determination procedure. Okay, once we have created the partner determination procedure, we have assigned the partner functions. Once the partner function is done, we are coming here and we are linking our account group with the partner function. Okay, this was the account group previously, and we need to assign partner function with account group. Now last thing, we need to define each and everything with the partner function or account group. Okay, so here is the link. Now we have completed. Now back to main work. So we'll create the customer. Last time we were having error. Let's see. T code is xd01. We'll select the our account group. So I am taking the account group which is zb01. Okay, now the company code is zb00 wholesale. All these things I have taken. Execute. Okay, I'm just creating just providing any name, and quickly I will create. Okay, India region 13. Right now I'm just providing the compulsory field. Okay, in the upcoming session we'll see in detail all these fields and how we are creating and what are the business scenario. Okay, so I want to open \o. The T code to check the partner determination procedure was VOPN. You can come here. You can go with display also. No issue. ZB01. Okay, here we have defined not modifiable and mandatory. So you can see we can't change anything. So once the number is created now, so once the number, right now when we save the customer, so number will be created. So here we can't change anything, but here we can change. I will show you. Let me just save it. See, customer has been created 4 times 0. Okay, 5 1 2 3 4 times 0 2. I'll go \n xd03. Okay, go inside. Let me show you in a change mode. See, once the customer is created, it's not modifiable because of this setting only. Not modifiable. Rest are modifiable and it's mandatory also. Okay, so that much only for the today's session. Okay, and you can for these notes you can check the video description. Okay, I will provide the link for these notes, and further there are various groups link where you can connect with me, and if you have any doubts, and even you can comment in the comment section of YouTube only. And in spite of that, if you have any doubt, you want to learn something, you can just ping me over there. Below are the link which I have provided in the YouTube video description. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.